I recently had a really bougie watermelon salad at a restaurant, and I thought I'd give it a try at home. It's the perfect blend of sweet and salty, and onions and fresh basil give it a really nice punch. For starters, you'll need a small handful of fresh basil. I keep 2 varieties on hand all summer, sweet Italian and curly basil. Keep it by your front door and pinch it frequently, just to remember to use it. Next step, you want to cut up your watermelon. I tend to cut it in little slices first, and then handle them separately. Makes it easier that way. You want to cut it into small bite-sized pieces, nothing too big or bulky. The watermelon I have here is really nice and sweet, but this recipe would even work if you have a disappointing melon. The other flavors in the salad could easily carry it. I was lucky enough to find a sweet red onion at my farmer's market. If you can't find one, then a Vidalia onion would do just fine. You want to take just a little bit of it and slice it into thin strips. If you want to get rid of the oniony flavor, soak it in some ice water. Roll the basil up and cut it into thin strips. This is called chiffonade. The final step is to put it all together. I'm using crumbled goat cheese, but you could also use feta. If you don't have fresh basil, mint and parsley would work well too. Add some fresh black pepper, and then a little bit of olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and you're all set. If you don't like balsamic, a red wine vinegar or even a champagne vinegar would work nicely. All of the different flavors of this salad seem like they might be at odds with each other, but they're really not. You've got the perfect crisp texture from the watermelon and the onions, which are sweet and sharp at the same time. The simple vinaigrette really enhances the creamy soft goat cheese and the fresh herbs on top. If you wanted to serve this on a bed of greens, I would either go with something neutral like baby spinach or something peppery like arugula. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Would you give this salad a try? I'd love to hear from you.